My name is Ethanicus, and I'm the fastest boy alive. Several weeks ago, me and my dad decided to use our new 3D printer to make the ultimate Flash costume better. Here's our story. Hey guys, Ethan here. Welcome back to another video. Today, we got a 3D printer. So, we decided this would be a good opportunity to test it, to use it on our new costume for me.
For Halloween?
Yeah, Halloween. Be back in a flash. Okay guys, this is my costume. Here, it's like so cool. So I'm gonna wear this for Halloween and Comic-Con. So.
The Flash is our favorite, isn't it?
Yeah. We always watch it like every time we're on season 3, I think.
Working our way through.
Yeah. So it's really great, other than the fact that the patch right here.
Just a little bit cheesy.
Oh, and my earpieces.
Yes.
Yeah. So we decided this would be a great opportunity to use the 3D printer.
So we're gonna print the chest piece now. We already, the first thing we printed was the emblems, right, son?
Yes.
I mean the ear emblems. Go ahead and show them.
Here, guys. Still need to paint them though. This is how they turned out. Pretty nice.
Hold them still so I can focus. So they're pretty sweet. I mean, it's not ones we actually designed. We just found this. I know that it's not exactly correct, but they're better than the patch.
Yes. Much better. So, this would be a big upgrade.
So, we're going to do the chest piece next.
Yeah.
And we'll start it right away.
Let's go. Ooh, it's starting.
Yep. So, first thing it does is it kind of extrudes. I don't know if you can see that. It extrudes a little bead to clean the nozzle.
Screws a little bit.
Yeah.
If you guys are wondering, I think it's supposed to do that.
Yeah. This is like the second thing we've ever printed, so.
Yes. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. 8 hours of hard work of 3D printing, but it finally turned out. So it's really great, other than the fact that it's too big for my body.
Yeah, it's a little bit big.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to do it again, but make it a little bit smaller.
Yep. And this is the gray color. Like the first things we printed, grab the earpieces real quick.
Okay.
Flash. So these are actually the glow-in-the-dark filament.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, guys. So these are glow-in-the-dark filament. My dad accidentally he didn't know these were glow-in-the-dark. He thought they were white.
Yeah, I didn't look at the label. I thought it was white. But this gray stuff seems to print a little bit smoother. So we're going to reprint the earpieces in the gray stuff and see if that turns out. We're also going to adjust this pattern because you can choose to have supports right there. Or on the lightning bolt, like it's kind of stringy. You can sand it down, but I want to see if we can reprint it and do it a little bit better.
Yeah.
So we're going to go over here and adjust our pattern a little bit. You want to show what it looks like in the dark?
Oh, the ears?
Yeah.
Okay. This is
that's
pretty
awesome.
Cool.
That's not bad at all. I mean,
Yeah,
it's
it's just glow-in-the-dark filament, right?
Yep.
It's perfect. It's not perfect, but it's really good.
Yeah, really good.
Oh my gosh. So
We might stick with these, but we're going to print them in gray to see if it turns a little smoother.
yeah.
And we'll show you all after we paint them.
Yes, we'll show you the
get
finished version.
Get them on the full costume for Halloween.
Yes. Hey guys, so this is the finished costume. It's really cool. So we finished the earpieces. So we didn't have a lot of time to actually film it.
Right,
So,
the sanding, the painting, but
yeah, we did all that. So, and then we what is it? Yeah, we sewed them.
Yep, they got sewed on. You can see there's with gold thread. It's really hard to see, but that's on purpose, right?
Yeah. So it's gold thread on both.
And on the emblem, we actually ended up remaking it.
Yeah, because we wanted to make it as accurate as possible. So he redrawn the whole thing.
From scratch. I ended up redrawing the whole thing from
Yeah.
scratch. We did put magnets in. We sewed them on, so it's
we
cool.
put magnets on, then we sewed magnets into here. So now it can be like, done.
You just kind of take it off like the real
Yeah,
flash.
so it can be like, and it works. So it's pretty cool. And it's really strong. So it will, like, when you're walking or running, it won't come off unless you like really run.
What did your friends think on Halloween?
I think it was really cool. Everyone thought it was awesome.
We went to a party.
Yeah, we went to a party. My dad was Green Arrow from the same CW. They do crossovers and stuff. And everyone loved it. So that was really awesome. But during trick-or-treating, we didn't really have time to film it because...
I think I got a picture. I'll throw it up.
Really? Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, other than that, we had no actual films.
But the next time we use this will be Comic Palooza, right?
Yes.
And we'll shoot a video there.
Yeah.
So one more look at the emblem. Turned out sweet. And I'll throw some pictures up maybe of the original emblem. Yeah. Also, they can check the size comparison. That one matches your body good.
Yes. So thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe. Ethanicus World.